y'all, welcome back to my channel. Be for real, I am Britt. So we are back with a new video. I know I've been MIA for a little while, so if you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and press the bell so that the notifications are turned on. You don't miss any of my uploads. So today I'm going to be giving you guys some banging bomb vegan sides for the cookout. Okay, so I do have a previous YouTube video where I showed you guys how to make vegan ribs, kebabs, a macaroni tuna salad, all that good stuff. So that'll be linked right here. It'll also be placed in the description box below, so click on that if you need some main dish type energy. But today we are focused on the sides, and I promise you guys, if you follow these recipes your dish is going to be something everybody going to want to eat. Okay, so I'm just warning y'all now, but I'm not going to ramble too much. We have a lot to get through today, so I'm going to go ahead and hop right into the video. All right, so we are going to get popping with our pasta salad. So if you follow me on Instagram at bforeal610, then you already see me make this pasta salad, and y'all, I am telling you, this is the best pasta salad I've ever had in my life, hands down. So if you guys have been on social media, then you've seen the grinder sandwich trending. So what I did was I used the same ingredients from the grinder sandwich and I made a pasta salad. Okay, so you can use whatever meat substitutes you want, whatever cheese you want. These are what I chose to use. Now, of course, you can leave the meat substitutes out. If you don't do meat substitutes, don't bully me in these comments. If you don't do the meat subs, leave them out. Okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and cook some noodles here. I got a nice salad making bowl. I'm very proud about my bowl. I don't believe it's mine. I think someone left it at my house, and it is mine now. Y'all know how that go. So I'm just going to go ahead and ancestor shimmy some seasonings onto our noodles. We got garlic powder, onion powder. We got some pepper, you know, the usual. And of course, it wouldn't be pasta salad without that Italian seasoning. So, you know, I'm a little heavy-handed, but y'all get the idea. Now, I like a little kick, so I do add some red crushed pepper to this as well. This is optional. You do not have to do this. So, here's our ingredients chopped up super pretty, all in uniform. Y'all see them? Okay. So, this is how I chopped up my veggies. Like I said, y'all can do what y'all want. Just showing y'all what I did, and it bang. So, you might want to follow suit, but I ain't, you know, I'm being humble. So we're just going to go ahead and throw all of this into our pasta here. Very self-explanatory, very quick. So per the grinder sandwich, I'm using a Hoagie dressing. Y'all know I'm from the Philly area, so it is a Hoagie dressing over here. But it can also be a sub dressing as well. So just in case someone out there is trying to purchase this, if you get the submarine dressing, it is the same thing. So I just went ahead and did a nice little drizzle, splat to get it all in there. And then we're going to be using some light Italian dressing as well. You can use whatever Italian dressing you would like, but I chose light because for whatever reason, it made me just feel like I was doing something healthier. But child, with them noodles, it really don't make a difference. But I'm just going to let the ancestors guide me with this as well. I used the whole bottle, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I used the whole bottle. But I used the whole bottle because, you know, noodles soak up the liquid, and this did sit overnight. So I went ahead and used the whole bottle because I didn't want my pasta salad to be dry. Because the last thing somebody is going to talk about me about is the pasta salad. I'm not, no. Y'all not about to roast me over the pasta salad of all things. Absolutely not. All right, and just like that, our pasta salad is done. If you go ahead and taste this and end up eating a whole bowl, that is on you, not on me. Don't come back and blame me. I don't want to hear it. Alright, y'all, so for this next dish, I'm going to need you to grab your pen and your pad. We're going to move quick, but not too quick, okay? Because right now, at this point, I feel like y'all need to start calling me Auntie Britt. Auntie Britt with the good potato salad. I am now Auntie Britt after this recipe, I promise. So, I went ahead and decided to make some vegan potato salad. I don't want to hear the moans and groans because I know somebody like, vegan potatoes, no, absolutely not. But I'm gonna tell you, absolutely yes. Like this potato salad was so good, y'all. Just walk with me. Okay, so boom. Started off real traditional. We got the vegan mayo. Got about a cup. I put in some vegan mustard. I feel like I was a little heavy-handed with the mustard, but it's all good because it's really to your discretion. I do go back and add a little bit more mayo, but don't worry about all that because I'm going to put it in the description box so y'all don't make the same mistake I did if y'all want to make it like I did. All right, I got y'all. So we going ahead and flicking our wrist right up on this mayo and this mustard to get it all combined. Then we're going to go ahead and add in a little bit of Cajun seasoning because why not? Like, I just feel like, why not? And then, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and flick my wrist again because, you know, you got to do it in equal parts throughout the whole recipe, you know what I'm saying? So I'm only talking like this because I'm super excited. Y'all don't understand how good this was. Y'all don't understand. Sorry to interrupt the video on y'all, but I have a major announcement. We have extended the Dining Vegan Tour to 3 additional cities. So if you've been following me, then you know that me and That Chocolate Vegan have been doing a Dining Vegan Tour where we come to you and cook 6 banging vegan plant-based meals. You guys get to dine with us. You get to have a good time with us. We do meet and greets. We have a great time. So we are now coming to New York, Charlotte, North Carolina, as well as Washington, D.C. So the tour dates are listed. Tickets are on sale. Be sure to get your ticket at eventbrite.com, and we look forward to seeing you guys there. All right, back to the video. All right, so I'm just going to shimmy in a little bit of sweet relish. I know sometimes people like to get bougie with their relish, but I just got whatever sweet relish was the cheapest. I'm not going to lie to y'all. If I'm doing it wrong, I do not want to be right. Okay, so I got that in there. We're going to mix that in as well. And then we're just going to go ahead and add in our celery as well as our red onion. Now, you can or cannot use celery. That may be up to you and your family. I don't know. But over here, we're going to throw in a little bit of celery and a little bit of red onion. Now, I did dice it up super small so that way it wasn't like big chunks because who likes that? But we are going to add that in, give that a nice little stir, flick wrist on that as well. I have 6 potatoes that I boiled and diced to perfection. Yes, I am very proud of that because you do have to boil them to the point where you don't make them mushy, just tender enough for the potato salad, but not mashed potatoes, if you catch my drift. So I boiled these to perfection, people. Like, I'm so proud. All right, and for the culture, you, of course, have to shimmy in some salt and pepper because they are a couple. And then we're just going to go ahead and flick our wrist right on this, get everything nice and incorporated because did we just make potato salad or no? Like, what did we just do, y'all? And I don't want to hear y'all in the comments talking about what about the hard-boiled egg? We don't got no egg, okay? We had to leave it out. Now, you do what you want with that information. All right, so on to our baked beans. Like, is it really a cookout without baked beans? Now, I have this vegan bacon, y'all. I got it because That Chocolate Vegan left it at my house. And y'all know how I feel about people that leave stuff at my house. It's mine now. So I can't tell y'all where to get this bacon from because I don't know where she got it from. But if you can't find the bacon, just leave it out. I just went ahead and browned it. We got some onion here that we sauteed up. I added in some apple sage sausage from Field Roast. I only added 2 of those. And then we got our vegetarian beans. Now, I did go ahead and drain those because we're going to make our own little sauce. Now, I didn't need this big of a pan. But if you guys double the recipe, then a 9x13 pan will be just fine. But because I only used 1 can, I could have, you know, used a smaller pan. But we're not even going to talk about that right now. All right, so the following steps are super easy, but super important. So we got some ketchup, we got some mustard. We're going to use a little bit of hot sauce, you know, for a little bit of kick. We are also going to be putting in some molasses, okay? That's going to bring our sauce full circle. Then we, of course, are going to add the brown sugar because you got to have that sweetness mixed with that spicy. And y'all see what I'm saying about my pan being too small? But don't judge me, y'all. I promise this is going to come out right. Just, you know, if you're doing this in the portion that I'm doing it, just use a smaller pan. But we getting it together. You see? You feel me? So I just went ahead and popped that in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. All right, y'all. So last but not least are our corn ribs. I seen this on Instagram and decided why not. Definitely would be a dope side to have. And I felt like it was easier to eat the corn. I ain't even going to hold you. So we are going to go ahead and start by shucking our corn. And then we are going to stand our corn up and run our knife down lengthwise. It's going to make it easier to cut the corn. And then it's going to prevent injury from the corn rolling around with you trying to cut it with the corn laying down. So stand the corn up. Make sure you want a flat surface. I mean, that's self-explanatory. And go ahead and run your knife down so you can get a nice even cut. Alright, so boom, you can top your corn with whatever you would like. I'm just making like a little butter sauce, if you will. So I just melted down some butter. I added some chili lime sauce as well as some Sazon complete. And I'm just going to go ahead and coat our corn in this. I'm just basting it with the little mixture that we got going on here. Nothing really complicated about this. This is just how I wanted the corn. Kind of like street corn, to be honest. Like, I love me an elote. I ain't even about to lie. But yeah, so that's all I did. I fired up the grill because who was I today? I said we having a cookout, okay? Something gonna go on the grill. All right, so here I am adding the ribs, if you will, to our grill here. I'm just placing them on, no particular order or particular way, because y'all, I am not a grill master. I'm just throwing them on here because I wanted the char, and that's about it. I have no other reasoning except for I felt like this was the best way. So I'm just going to rotate these. I'm just playing with them, acting like I'm knowing what I'm doing, but I really have no idea. So I'm just going to let them cook for about 5 minutes. I just waited for them to kind of like char up. So this could depend on your grill. But yeah, y'all see me playing around with them. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. I'm just rearranging them. Like, what am I even doing? Alright, so after finally deciding to leave them alone for a little bit, I went ahead and flipped them, and they were starting to char to my liking. I was like, oh, I'm doing a good job. So let's just go ahead and move right along. I'm going to make a little sauce here. I'm just going to be going ahead and adding some tofutti sour cream to this. About a spoonful, nothing too crazy. I'm just using the remaining leftover from the chili lime butter sauce that I had. So I'm just going to add some sour cream to this. Now, this is all eyeballing, y'all. I don't have a recipe for this. I just made this up. I just thought it would be good. I ain't gonna lie. I have no rhyme or reason. So I'm also going to be taking some vegan mayo, and we're going to put about a tablespoon of that in there as well. But y'all, I'm just making this up as I go. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, this is what happens in the kitchen. And now I'm just showing y'all because it came out really good. Alright, so I'm just taking my whisk and flicking my wrist on that to go ahead and get that all stirred up. And then, of course, because I wanted to plate pretty, I went ahead and put it into a squeeze bottle so that way I could drizzle it effectively over our corn ribs. Okay, so then I thought to myself, like, what is a corn rib, street corn style, without the cilantro? So I just went ahead and chopped up some cilantro here, y'all. Y'all don't have to do this. I know some people don't like cilantro. I don't know what's wrong with y'all, but I'm going to go ahead and chop up a little bit of cilantro because, like, what is life? And then I'm going to get out my nice plate from Walmart and go ahead and plate up these corn ribs. I don't know why I was trying to, like, figure out a really fancy way to plate them. But, y'all, you see how it ended up. It got a little messy. I ain't going to lie. So I just went ahead and put our sauce on top. You know what I forgot, though? I had bought some feta cheese to like sprinkle on top, kind of like how they do the street corn style, but I forgot to put it on there. So, womp, womp, womp. Either way, these were really, really good, y'all. And I just got to show y'all how everything came out. Look at that. Now, look at that. Look at this. Y'all, look at that. I'm trying to tell y'all. Alright, y'all. So I got my plate here. We got everything on it, child. It's the vegan bacon for me. Y'all, call me Auntie Brit. Call me Auntie Brit from now on. I'm the auntie with the good sides. I'm the auntie with the good potato salad. I'm the auntie with the good beans. Come on now. Hold up. Because you know it ain't right. You know, gotta do it like that. Alright, let me try this corn. Now, I know we done made this corn a little bit more complicated than it has to be, but it's interesting, man. You know what? I like it like this because I feel like it's easier to eat. Instead of having the whole, cab. Pasta salad, I already know it bang. So, pasta salad is my favorite side dish. Drop below in the comments what your favorite side dish at the Cookout is. Mine is pasta salad. I don't care. I done gave y'all the secrets, okay? Y'all, I done gave y'all the secrets. Now it's up to y'all to go out into the world. Make me proud. But seriously, if you guys make these recipes, please be sure to tag me on Instagram at BForeal610. I love seeing y'all food pictures. But we are at the end of the video. I'm so glad you guys stayed with me and watched. Thank you guys as always for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.